Hello everybody, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday June 12th. I am out here to correct a mistake I made when I was doing a video yesterday. So I want to thank Hazel, one of my subscribers, for highlighting the mistake I made with the stackable planter that I was working on. Let me show it to you. So my gate is down. When I was watching the video, I noticed that I didn't close the gate properly, I should have put it behind this post right here, and I put it in front instead. Anywho, here is the stackable planter that I worked on yesterday. And the mistake that I made is I did not put the additional holes in these sections. After Hazel asked me the question that if I added the holes in there, I told her that this big one right here was enough. After covering it with whatever I'm going to be using down in there, I don't think it's going to be enough for whatever I'm going to be growing in these. So I am going to take off, oh gosh, all of this right here. I have to take out all the plants, and I have to unload the planter, and I'm gonna put the holes in each one. And as you can all hear, here comes the rain again, falling on my head. No, I don't get no copyright for people's song. Falling on my head. Whee. No. Falling in my garden, this is a good blessing. Fall on me like blessings do. Fall on me like blessings do. Yeah, people, so I am trying to fix a mistake I made. Yep, if you don't make any mistake in your garden, as I said, why? I don't know what kind of garden I have, but I am glad that I am learning from my mistakes. All right, yes, so I think I'm going to be putting the flowers in here instead. Yeah, so if they blow over, they will just fall right back underneath there. Yep, it's raining all around me. I can feel the light rain. Yes, right on, King Jesus. I love this rain because my plants them get wet. Me not happy fret. Hey. Oh, what are we making rhyme? Oh Lord, I am just so happy. People, me are telling you, no matter how you feel down, distressed, perplexed, I mean, when you come out in the garden and see all of them pretty colors here, if anything not happen to Erner, why? Something to Erner. Yes! Now, where am I gonna put these? Let me tuck them right in here, so yeah. Yeah, so all right, I'm almost done. I think I have 2 more left. All right, so let me move this one. Put it here. Can't go back no more. I'll put it right here, so. And this one, I'll go here, so. Hold on there. Alright, yeah. So originally I did have these in here. Where's the other one? See, back over here. Alright, yep. So me take the little one, yeah. Squeeze it right between here, so in case the no, that's not the best place to put it. Where the heck am I gonna put these? You know, let me just put them underneath here so for the time being. Alright, so now I am gonna have to take off. I wonder if the drill bit tall enough to actually bore the holes in here without me taking them off. You know, I'm going to try it. That would save me a lot of time. I need to go and get the drill to see if I can. Let me see if this thing is still rotating. Yes, it is. Lord have mercy. What an innovation. Another subscriber also mentioned that the IV poles, they are expensive. So I went and checked them out on Amazon. And trust me, no, she said they are hard to come by. And I agreed. So if you're living close to a hospital, you can find out if they are throwing out any IV poles that you can retrieve, because I'm telling you, this is going to be a great investment for the garden. And even though the planters, they are not so strong, the material, look in this one. Oh, it was breaking apart. Look, so easy to fall apart. I am still going to invest in some of them because I just like the look of them on the pole. They look really nice. I think I'm going to take off this one so I can add maybe add this white planter on this right here. I don't know, it's just a thought, as I would say. So I'm running back inside now to grab the drill to see if I could correct this problem. All right, so I will be right back, people. All right, here we go. All right, that's one. Look like it's going to work, you know. Look like it can work. Thank you, Hazel. Thank you very, very much. I've always appreciated your interaction, my dear. And you also have given me a lot of... But look at this. Look here. I don't even have to drill it. People want to watch here. You know, I could just get something and pop the holes. Lord have mercy. Watch here. I don't have to drill that. I just need a piece of bamboo or something to poke the holes. Let me see. I must have a piece of bamboo somewhere about here that is taller than this drill bit. Guys, it's raining. Okay. So I found a piece of bamboo. I have to put down the umbrella, you know, but I have on my my waterproof rain hat. I don't know. This is not pointed enough. Okay, my God, what here? I saw. I go for the drill, and this is all I needed to do. Just to poke the holes. Just to poke out the holes. So God, I thank you and I thank Miss Hazel for highlighting this problem. So for those of you watching that is a first time gardener, y'all, please ensure that you have holes in the bottom of your containers. My sister, if you're watching, I'm not going to call your name. Please remember to put holes in your container. I have a lot of sisters. So I'm not going to put you up on blast and call your name. You know yourself. Please remember to put the holes in the containers. That you know. Hey! Oh gosh. When it's not one thing, it's the other. See, y'all see this? This material that they use to make these planters, they are really not good. Because even a little piece of bamboo stick can damage the planters. Can't believe it. I might have to put this drill in on my waist, you know. Hold on, the people. All right. So the drill is in my waist bag. Oh, yeah, I may finish bore the holes then. So guys, I'm gonna bore the holes. Come back and show you because it's raining. I can't do any work out here anyways. So I might as well just do what I can do and go inside and come back later. Alright, but I just wanted you all to see that I made a big mistake yesterday, and it was because of Miss Hazel that I am correcting it right now. You know what? I'm gonna wait until it finishes raining. Oh no, I'm going to put up the phone, finish punch the holes, and then go inside. Alright people, so I am done drilling 135 holes in these 15 planters. And let me also show you something that happened when I was trying to punch a hole in this one. Look at this. Look at this. See? The bottom was breaking out. You all hear the rain coming? I'm glad I am done. I'm heading back inside, you all. It's raining very hard. But if you're going to be purchasing any of these planters, please ensure that you put some holes in them. I can't believe I did this. Oh, I forgot. All right, peeps. So if this is the first time here, I am the Glades Garden Girl, the creative cultivator, and I am over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Comment down below and let me know if you have ever made a mistake like that before in your garden. Oh, what type of mistakes do you make in your garden? I don't want my phone. Oh God. I don't want my phone to be full of water now, so I'm heading inside. That's going to be it for today's video. Ta-ta. Until next time. Bye-bye.